Alright, this is going to be the elevator at the historic Marine Building in downtown Vancouver. Look at this amazing, gorgeous lobby. Wow. We're going to ride the elevators. There's your directory. And here they are. They used to be manually controlled, but they now have KONE M series. Here's your annunciator. And look at this beautiful elevator cab. We're gonna go up. Dewhurst. Wow. 18. Sounds like a Schindler.
Two. Oh, two. Okay, thank you.
This Schindler. You're on 17. You're on 18. Go to M. Pretty basic Dewhurst US 89 fixtures. These used to be manual Otis or Turnbull, I believe. The cabs are pretty nice, and the cabs look original, though I'm not sure if they are. The indicator appears to be a Monty indicator, so these probably have been modded twice. There's back out into that gorgeous lobby. All right, we will go up to 18. Here we go. Definitely a tasteful mod. These were manually controlled in the 70s. I'd assume that's when Montgomery, I'd assume they modded these first, and then Schindler modded these recently with the Dewhurst. Here on 18, non-stop ride. Watch it close. Wow, look at this lobby. This elevator lobby up here. Elevator to upper floor's penthouse. I think this is it. Does it work? It doesn't look like it. Looks like it's locked. But you can see the inside of it though. Oh, maybe I can ride it. Wow, let's look at this cab. Wow. Wow. It's an Otis-Fensom, so they used to be, the main ones were Otis-Fensom too. Unfortunately, though, it looks like the floors are all keyed off, but the COP, I can't tell if it's original or if they just retrofitted these in. But really cool. It's a pretty tiny cab. We can get a view of it. Unfortunately, though, we aren't going anywhere. That's pretty cool. definitely. All right, we'll get out. Is your gate? All right. Okay, now we're gonna go ride these down. Got that one. All right, M. We're on 17, someone just called it. Go down?
Yes. To the main floor. Thank you.
And anyways, there it goes. What was that? Mystery elevator? Strange. There's another call button there. Oh, this is the one. Does this one go down? Oh, this one just goes down to the basement. All right, well, there they go. And that's gonna be it.